Sorry. Yes, I'm mute. Sorry. How are you, Mr. Steve? Good morning. Welcome back. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I mute it because the neighbors playing music. So it's not good for me because I will be on CPR. Yes, I am. Yes, of course I'm happy. Why not? Oi, I'm learning. Yeah, CPR. Don't drop it. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for your support. Yeah, Miss Lexi is here. I'm back. I was just preparing the spices. Welcome back, Lexi. Kiara is very excited. Give me. Don't drop double lagi kay ma-dirty. Ay. Hi. I heard it was typhoon in the Philippines. Yes. Yes, that's true. But not in our area. The typhoon now is in Luzon. We are living in Visayas. We are in Visayas, not in Luzon. Mostly the typhoon goes to Luzon. Then here is just a little bit windy, sprinkling, but not too much. Ay, gidrak ko dapiyo juga ikaw. Also, you miss typhoon. No, Aya. Wait, Kiara, you stay there and wait. Okay. Sit, my love. Very good. Very good, my love. My love. Very good. Mwah. Very good. My dog is very, very good. She's very good and ma'am. Too much. Give me my love.